Do you want to know? Well, I've been thinking about you. Well, I've been thinking about you. And I think you'll have to listen. Because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much left.
Guys, it's Rixa 23. Welcome to my channel. Nandito na lang tayo sa Honeybee, Ilog Maria sa Silang, Cavite. Ang ganda ng view, tsaka ang ganda ng weather ngayon. Join me guys. So nabit, so sweet. Hello. Stingless bee. So many rabbits.
Another bee. Baby bee.
Really? Ah, baby.
Yeah, this one.
Oh.
Eucalyptus down here.
Oh shit. Sorry. That's a nice flower. Hello, Han.
Hi there. Got my mask down and my eyes are wet.
We're not going further. Is a honey inside?
Yeah.
Honeybee.
Yeah, they're stingless though.
Oh.
They bite but they don't sting.
Oh.
And you can't see them because they're so small. Yeah.
Oh.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너, 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그러냐고 묻네 너 때문에. I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐. 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going crazy. I'm going crazy. 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어. I'm going crazy. Yeah. I'm going crazy. 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보며 가져 영원히 변치 않을 테니
Kamaloban. Show you on a solo.
I'm going crazy I'm going crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going crazy yeah I'm going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 I'm going crazy
For watching. See you soon to my next video. Bye-bye. Bye. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. Bye, Han. Bye. God bless everyone.